Okay, try to do a little rant before I go for my walk. I need to calm down. I gotta learn to do these things. There we go. Okay, so Charles LeBlanc, go to Google, write my name, Charles LeBlanc, and you'll see my latest episode. Okay, I'm a little bit calmer after trying to think things over, but it gets me upset. I was in court this morning for my lawsuit, and I was hauled in by the city of Fredericton and Michael Bryan, the mayor. They're for my lawsuit that they want to justify that it was okay to tell my internet provider that I was exploiting children for sex. Now, this morning was, from what I was told, they sent me an email and said that they're going to fight to, I wanted 17 cops to testify. And the clerk was nice to me a few weeks ago, said just put the names on, Charles, there's no problem, just, I said I don't have to short up with papers to swear them in court. No. You just give us the name, Charles, everything's all right. So next thing you know, I showed up. Judge Judy Clemente shows up. Me and her. She don't like me, and I don't like her. But anyway, next thing you know, she shows up. Oh, give this to Mr. LeBlanc. Then I get this piece of paper. Okay. It's called Tariff D. Now you want to see it? Go on my blog. You'll see the paper. Tariff of disbursement allowable to a party entitled to costs. Now, the bottom line here, it says, any cop that I want in my lawsuit, for them, they put their affidavit. Now, for me to cross-examine the sworn affidavit, I have to pay the police, the courts, $50. 50 bucks each, and each day. Okay? This is the same thing that happened when that idiotic poet that the Fredericton police contacted the Miramichi police and that false charge of assault. Then they so I started to get upset. Started to jump a little bit. The hell I was going to say. See, there's no recording here. There's no take 1, take 2, take 3. The police are allowed. Shit, I forgot. Now we're not going to make a take 2. $50. It always comes back. When I was with that poet and I was in court, and next thing you know, the prosecutor lied during a hearing. I wanted transcript. Oh, no problem. Next thing you know, they give it to me, $399, knowing I'm on social assistance. So this thing here, to have the same thing is happening all over again. I say it's racism against the poor. Oh, the poor is not a race. No. It's discrimination. It's elitism. It's not right. It's, it's not fair. The justice system and the cops, the damn Fredericton police, are sending lineups of people in jail. In jail. No lawyers, nothing. Me, this morning, I said, hey, November 8th, I was attacked on the street by 2 cops, 2 goons from Edmundston. Oh, no. That doesn't matter. This has nothing to do with your lawsuit. I said, these are the same police officers that ordered me attack on the street. The same officers I'm suing. Oh, no, it doesn't matter. So anyway, we're going back to court Monday morning. On what? Monday morning, February, what is it? February 6th, okay. Not next Monday, it's next Monday. And I gotta check that out. for motion day, and this will be to tell the judge, okay, we're ready to proceed to trial. Oh, and they tell me I'm only allowed 50 minutes sharp. 50 minutes to cross-examine only 4 cops if they want to pay the $50. So those cops that said to my internet provider, told the public that I was exploiting children for sex, they don't have to testify. They don't have to do nothing. So it's going to be interesting. Tomorrow I'm going to make a complaint to the Attorney General to investigate Judge Judy Clemente, to investigate our justice system, how they could. I mean, that sort of caught me in a curveball. Just, you're in court, and the next thing you know, oh, you have to pay $50. No warning, no nothing. So our justice system, we need an investigation. We need an inquiry on the way the less fortunate, the people with mental illness, and the natives, especially the natives, are being treated in our court system. It's racism. It's the worst kind. It's in Ontario in the 1920s. And I don't know how they get away with it. I had a guy from a lawyer see me yesterday and said, Charles, you can't beat them. They're very powerful people. I said, well, there's nothing I could do. They're coming after me. I'm Scottish. I'll fight back. I'm making a complaint to the Attorney General. And we haven't heard from the police at Edmundston. I made a complaint today. We had a meeting. Anyway, stay tuned.